We're now in another section of our Revit Structure Advanced course. What we're going to do is we're going to start looking at how we view our analytical models that we are setting up in Revit Structure. So I've got another Revit project open now. You'll notice it at the top of the screen. It's Training, Revit Structure Advanced, Viewing Analytical Models.rvt. You will find that in your work files, either on your DVD or in your download if you've downloaded this course from the internet. What we're going to start looking at is how we set up analytical settings and views first of all. And the first thing we're going to look at is creating our analytical views. Now, analytical views have different settings. If you remember from the previous section, you can set up all different settings so that you can see your analytical views in your Revit project. So let's have a look at that now and let's set that up. Our project is open, as you can see, and I'm in the top of footing plan right there in the project browser. Now what I'm going to do is right click on that particular view, go to duplicate view and set up a duplicate with detailing, like so. So there's my copy of TO footing there, top of footing. What I'm going to do is right click on it and rename it. Lose the copy of bit, we don't need that anymore. And then what we're going to do, we're going to put top of footing and then space, dash space, and then analytical. Now you'll notice there's already an analytical in there, top of footing analytical 1. Just ignore that, that's not required, that's a test one. What we're doing is we're setting up the one that we're going to use. I'll click on OK now. And there's our top of footing analytical. Now, we need to right click on that new view. And we need to apply template properties here. Now we do have default templates in Revit that allow us to work with different types of settings for different types of views. So if I click there now, you can see here in all the different templates that are available, there's all the settings. If I select the structural analytical stick setting, like so, that will set all those settings in there. I will apply those properties to the view and then click on OK. So what you'll see now, can you see, look, there's the point loads on each of the footings as we go along in that footing plan. So what we've done there is we've told Revit that we want to see our analytical model. Now you can see it's switched on down here. Can you see hide analytical model? If I click there now, what will happen is that view will change. Can you see if I click there, it disappears. If I click there again, it comes back. So you can switch it on and off. What we've just done by setting that template up is we've switched it on. And as you can see there, it's highlighted there, it's on. So that one is now done, and what we'll do is we'll just double click on our wheel on our mouse to zoom extents on that one. And then what we'll do is we'll go to the structural plan for the roof and we'll set up a roof analytical as well. So we'll go up a little bit and you'll see there's already a roof analytical there. I'm going to rename that one analytical 1 like I did last time because we don't want duplicates of the same name. So I'll OK that. And there's our roof plan there. I'll double click on it and there's our roof plan. I'll right click now and again duplicate view, duplicate with detailing, and there's my copy of 14 roof there. Right click, rename. So again, lose the copy of bit and we'll put that in there. Space dash space, analytical, analytical, like so. Click on OK and there's our roof analytical. And again, right click, apply template properties, structural analytical stick like that, and click on OK. And you'll see it change. Can you see we've got the orange now for the beams, the blue for the columns, and if I switch that off there, like so, can you see it all disappears? Switch it on again, the analytical model comes back. Again, I'll double click on the wheel, and there's our view. Our analytical model is ready to go. So that's how you create your analytical views in your Revit Structure project.